This tutorial will show you how to use the POS system with the POSAL Cloud system. To start the system, double-press the POSAL cache icon. You can also touch it once and then press the Enter key. The system will download files. The main inventory file takes a while to download, so it is optional. It is automatically downloaded every night, so you should leave the POS running but signed off. If you wish to update your inventory files during the day, quit the POSAL system and restart it. When the triangle appears in the bottom right corner, you can press it to force a fresh download of the inventory file. This will update the prices to what is currently in the cloud system. If a printer or drawer init error occurs, you should check the cabling and make sure the printer is turned on. Once the POS screen appears, you'll be asked to sign on. Enter the assigned clerk number and password. The POS screen that appears will most likely not be like the one displayed. These can be customized to the exact needs of each customer. Contact SCS support for any changes you may wish. Once you are signed on, simply scan items. If you are unable to scan an item, but it is in your database, you will be able to find it using the item lookup function. If you wish to search by description, press the By Description tab and enter the first few characters of the description. If you want to search for something else, you need to clear the first search by backspacing over the characters previously typed, or by pressing the up or down arrow keys. If you do not have a PC keyboard attached, you can press the keyboard button to bring up an on-screen keyboard. Once you have found the item you wish, you can press the select button to sell it. You can also sell an item by typing the item number and pressing the Enter button. If you wish to sell a number of the same item, you can either scan it that many times or use the Quan button. If you wish to sell 5 of a certain item, press 5 on the screen, press the Quan button, and then scan the item you wish to sell. If you wish to remove an item from the order, touch it and press the Void button. If it is the last item sold, just press the Void button. If you wish to cancel the whole order, press the Clear Order button. If you wish to return an item, press the Return button and then sell as normal. Everything you sell after pressing the Return button will be returned into stock. You can sell some items, then press the Return button to return the rest. Your screen may have the tender buttons on the main screen, or they may be on a payment screen. If you wish to pay the whole transaction with one tender, just press the Tender button. You can split the payment amongst multiple tenders by entering the amount of the tender before pressing the button. If you receive cash, you can either enter the amount received followed by the cash or dollars button. POSAL will calculate the change for you. If you're in Canada, it will be rounded to the nearest nickel. If you start typing something and wish to correct it, press the Clear button. The backspace button on the keyboard also works. Some customers may have special pricing set up for them. Select the customer at the start of the sale by pressing the Customer button and selecting the customer from the list. If a discount is attached to the customer, then all items after selecting the customer will get the discount. If you are using a point system and are not using special cards, you will need to select the customer any time during the transaction and press the Points button at the end of the transaction before tendering. To redeem points, press the Redeem button. If you have special cards for the point system, then scan the card any time during the transaction. Points will be allocated on tendering. The Redeem button works the same. Various discount buttons may be on your screen. Some may give a discount to the previously sold item. Others will give a discount to all items sold after pressing the button. See your store manager about using discount buttons. The View Trends button shows you the paid invoices for the previous 2 weeks. You can reprint those invoices by pressing the Print button. You can view the item sold by pressing the View Items button. Many more buttons are on other tabs. In some stores, this will be labeled as Special. Press the Special tab to see these buttons. Some buttons explained here may be on your main screen. The Suspend button suspends the current transaction to the cloud. You can then serve other customers and resume the transaction when the customer is ready. Pressing the Resume button will display a list of all suspended transactions for your location. Select the one you wish to resume and press the Select button. The Override button allows you to change the price of the highlighted item. Touch the item you wish to override. Press the Override button and enter the price for the item. The Print On/Off button enables and disables printing. The Reprint button will reprint the previous invoice. If printing is turned off, it will still print. The Safe Drop button will move an amount of cash from the cash drawer to the Safe Drop tender. Enter the amount you wish to move and press the Safe Drop button. The Paid Out button works similarly. It will ask for a description. You then need to press a tender key to show which tender was used to pay out. The No Sale button opens the cash drawer. The date, time, and clerk that did this function is recorded. I will now explain some of the specialty buttons that you may have on your screen. If you accept charge payments, there will be a charge button on the payment screen. First, select the customer to be charged and then press the Charge button. If you receive payments at the POS, then you will have an ROA button. Enter the amount of the payment, press the ROA button, select the customer from the list, then select their method of payment. If you use gift cards and wish to give out a new gift card, scan the card at the POS. Answer the questions according to store policy and enter the amount of the card when requested. You'll have a gift card button, payment button, as well to use the card as a tender. Scan the card before pressing the button. This concludes the tutorial for the point of sale screen.